Fabulously Nappy, and I'm back with another video. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so that each time I post a new video you will know and you can come and watch. If you're already subscribed, like a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in again. How are you doing? I hope you're all good. Let me know down in the comment section. Okay, so today, as you can see, it's a hair video. I'm doing a tutorial on how to revive the curls on this wig. It's a headband wig. If you haven't seen how I made this, I'm gonna leave the, just click this, I think it's gonna be somewhere here, or here, somewhere here, I think. Just click on that card and to watch how I made the wig. And today it was a curly hair, but it got straight over time. So today we are gonna try to revive the curls, even though it won't be exactly the same because, well, it ain't new, but it won't be as bad as it looks right now because this is a no-no. Okay, so for this we're gonna need, obviously you're gonna need the wig you want to revive. You need a flat iron. I'm using my Maxi Glide hair straightening iron. You need a small comb, a detangling brush, you need hair clips, you need scissors, you need pins to pin down the wig on the head, on the mannequin head. Of course you need your mannequin head too, duh. You will need some Flexi rods. Yeah, I think that's about it. If there's anything else, I'm gonna leave it down in the description box, so be sure to check that out. I'm gonna write down everything that I use for this style down in the description box, and follow me on my Instagram too. The link is down in the description box as well. And yeah, let's jump right into the video. Okay, first to start off, I am going to be putting the wig on my mannequin head. When you're done, this flips over, but for now we're just gonna leave it down. So I'm gonna use the pins to secure it on the mannequin head. Okay, so now that is all done, we are gonna start by detangle. We're gonna detangle the hair because it's really rough. We don't need no knots in it, so I'm gonna go ahead and detangle in sections. Working in sections, that's much easier. Working from the ends up to the root. Okay, so she's fully detangled right now. You can see the brush just runs through. I'm just gonna cut off the super rough ends. Don't want any of that. So we're done detangling. Next off, we're gonna go ahead to curl it. Just so you know, this hair was washed. I washed it and it's all clean. There's no product in it, no nothing. Okay, so it's freshly washed hair. All right, so now I'm gonna plug in my straightening brush, my straightening iron, sorry. Whichever iron you have, use it. You don't necessarily need to use this one. I'm just telling you this is the one I have. So I plugged it on charge, not on charge, on electricity, and I'm just gonna power on right here. See that? So I'm gonna put the temperature at 120 degrees. Let that heat up. So just a disclaimer, I am not a professional at all of this. I'm just showing you guys what I do, or how I do it, and it works for me. So I'm just showing you guys how I do it. I'm not a professional or anything like that. I'm not a professional at wigs, but I'm learning though. I'm learning. Okay, so the iron is hot, 120 degrees right now. So I'm gonna section it off again. I'm working in small sections. Okay, so this is how small the section is. Not too big, small. Alright, so detangle again with the brush. Take the smaller comb, detangle again. All of this is just to make sure that we don't have any knots in there, that everything is nice and smooth. Okay, now that that is fully detangled, I'm going to take my straining iron. Do a quick pass. I'm going to flat iron it. Grab you some hairnails. So using this much, you're not using much, just small, just so that the curl holds. Comb it again. Grab you your Flexi rod. I'm gonna do a roll set. Do a Flexi rod set, sorry. And just like that. So I'm gonna do that again. Carve out the section you want to work with. It should not be too big. This an averagely small section. Clip the rest of it up. You brush it through, detangle it well, properly. Use a small comb, detangle again. And if you see any ends like this, just feel free to cut it off. This hair is synthetic, by the way, so just in case you guys are wondering. A couple of passes. Detangle again. Next is some mousse. Not this one is a little too much, but you should grab a little bit a smaller quantity. That will depend on how big the section is that you're working with. But this one was a little too much. So you just want to grab your little bit of it. Then you comb through again, detangle it again. Get your Flexi rod. Roll that on there. Okay. This one I didn't do it too well. Make sure you secure it properly so that it doesn't unravel. Okay, so secure at this end, secure at this other end. Alright. I'm just gonna keep doing that, repeating that same process until I'm done with the entire hair. Okay guys, so I'm all done. Trim out set. Okay, so right now I'm gonna take my spray bottle with water. It's just water inside, nothing else. Spritz it, spritz all around. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my hooded bonnet dryer, fit it over. This is so that the drying process is quicker. You know, the heat is concentrated on it and it gets dry faster. Okay, so take this, grab my blow dryer, fit it here. I'm gonna blow dry it until the hair is dry. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes and it should be dry by now. Yep, all dry. No, not all dry. The front is still a bit cold. So I'm just going to turn it over like this and put it back in. The back part is very dry, so I don't want to fit it in anymore. I just need the front. Okay, so it should be dry right now. I'm going to take it off. Okay, and then we're going to unravel it. I'm going to start from the back. Oopsie, it's not so dry. It's not very dry, but it's not bad. See that? It's not very dry, y'all. So I'm just going to unravel it carefully. Okay, so I'm just going to dry it again. I'm going to use this super light net to put it in, just so that the curls stay in place. They don't, you know, freeze up the course of the blow drying. So it's all dry. I'm going to take off the net. do you see them curls? See them curls? Okay, it's not as curly as it should have been because I took it out when it was still cold. It wasn't properly dried. Yeah, if it was really dry, it should have been like this, as curly as this, but this ain't bad either. This will have to do. Okay, so when you do yours, make sure you let it dry fully, like it should be fully dry before you take it out. Okay guys, so I wasn't satisfied with the curls, so what I did was I just separated into 4 sections. As you can see, I just used water, spritzed it on it, brushed, combed, and rolled it back up, and I let it set overnight. I think a couple of nights even, because I was lazy to take it out. And here is how it looks after that. All I did was take out the Flexi rods and just brush my fingers through it to loosen up the curls a bit, and voila, the baby's all done. Okay, Nappy Beauties, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching till the end. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so that each time I post a new video, you will be notified and can come and watch. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think, or just say hi so that I know you stopped by. Please be sure to share this video as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.